Certain foods can sabotage your heart health and raise your cholesterol levels, and you might not even be aware of it. These foods are undermining your health. Here, I'll reveal the top foods you should avoid to keep your cholesterol in check and protect your heart. The 8th food on our list is by far the most harmful, and many people still consume it daily. You might be one of them. First, high cholesterol foods. Foods that are often considered part of a balanced diet, such as ground meats and organ meats, can actually be a hidden source of high cholesterol. Although these foods may offer valuable nutrients, their high cholesterol content can contribute to elevated levels in the blood, especially when consumed in excess. This surprising fact highlights the importance of being aware of what you eat and how it can affect your cardiovascular health in ways you might not expect. To keep your cholesterol levels under control without sacrificing protein and other important nutrients, consider healthier alternatives. Opt for legumes like beans, lentils, and chickpeas, which are excellent sources of plant protein and contain no cholesterol. Additionally, fatty fish like salmon and sardines are rich in omega-3s, a type of healthy fat that can help reduce inflammation and improve blood lipid levels. Integrating these options into your diet not only diversifies your food choices, but also contributes to a healthier heart. Second, processed meats. Have you ever considered how those processed meats that frequently appear in your favorite meals might be silently and dangerously affecting your health? Sausages, bacon, and ham are not only delicious, they are loaded with sodium and saturated fats that can dangerously raise your cholesterol and blood pressure. Each serving of these foods could be contributing to an increased risk of heart disease and other serious health problems. This realization might be alarming, but recognizing this fact is the crucial first step in protecting your heart and extending your life. Switching to healthier options might be easier and tastier than you think. Start by replacing processed meats with nutrient-rich and heart-healthy alternatives like lean meats and skinless poultry. These choices are not only better for your cardiovascular health, but also help keep your cholesterol and blood pressure levels in check. Additionally, enrich your meals with a variety of vegetables and legumes, which are excellent sources of fiber and essential nutrients, without the risks associated with the saturated fats and high sodium content of processed meats. Incorporating these foods into your diet not only improves your health, but also adds new flavors and textures to your meals, making eating a healthy and enjoyable experience. Reducing meat intake can also bring significant benefits to your body's energy levels, as excess meat in the stomach takes a long time to digest, consuming your energy in the process. I like meat a lot, but I understand the importance of consuming it in moderation. Unlike meat, there should be no moderation in knowledge. By clicking the link in the pinned comment, you will gain access to advanced content that will revolutionize your cardiovascular health. Third, whole dairy products. The type of milk you consume can have a profound impact on your cardiovascular health. Whole dairy products, despite being popular, are high in saturated fats that can dangerously raise bad cholesterol, which is a major contributor to heart disease. This fact can be a turning point in how you view your daily food choices. Making a conscious change now could be key to keeping your heart healthy and functional for many years. Replacing whole dairy products with low-fat or plant-based alternatives is a simple change that can bring significant benefits to your health. Almond, soy, or even oat milk offers the taste and versatility of traditional milk, but with a fraction of the saturated fats. These alternatives not only help reduce LDL cholesterol, but are also great options for those who are lactose intolerant or seeking a more plant-based diet. Try starting your day with a coffee or cereal accompanied by almond or soy milk and see how this choice can contribute to a significant improvement in your cardiovascular health. Each substitution is an extra point in the epic health game. Fourth, sugary foods and beverages. A seemingly harmless soda could be secretly harming your heart. Foods and beverages high in sugar, such as sweets and sodas, are not just empty calories. They can cause spikes in triglyceride levels, a type of fat in the blood that, when elevated, contributes to increased bad cholesterol and puts your cardiovascular health at risk. This simple habit, often overlooked, can have direct consequences on your longevity and quality of life. Imagining the long-term impacts of these choices might be the motivation you need to adopt healthier changes. Changing your consumption habits of drinks and snacks doesn't have to be a deprivation, but an opportunity to discover new flavors and health benefits. Start by replacing sodas and other sugary beverages with plain water, naturally flavored fruit water, or unsweetened teas. These alternatives hydrate, refresh, and offer additional benefits without excess sugar. Additionally, instead of reaching for processed sweets when you have a sugar craving, opt for fresh fruits. They not only satisfy your sweet tooth with their natural sugars, but also provide fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that help keep your heart in shape. We have a video on the channel with 7 simple steps to reduce cholesterol naturally, and we've learned that sugar is not welcome in our lives. I'll leave the video here in the card for you to watch later and learn more. 5th, fried foods and high-sodium foods. That bag of chips you grab for a quick snack might be silently shortening your time on this earth. Fried and sodium-rich foods, like many snacks and prepared dishes, not only negatively affect your taste buds with excess salt and oil, but also have a direct impact on your blood pressure and cholesterol levels. This seemingly harmless habit could be one of the contributing factors to long-term cardiovascular issues. Recognizing and adjusting these daily choices can be crucial for keeping your heart healthy and strong. Replacing these unhealthy options with heart-healthy snacks is easier than you might think and doesn't compromise on taste. Instead of reaching for fried and highly processed foods, choose natural, nutrient-rich alternatives like nuts and dried fruits. Nuts make an excellent snack, providing healthy fats, fiber, and protein that help regulate cholesterol levels and keep you full longer. Dried fruits, on the other hand, are high in fiber and antioxidants, making them an ideal natural sweet treat without added sugars. These snacks not only satisfy your hunger between meals, but also provide ongoing benefits for your cardiovascular health. For many years, I was a big consumer of fried foods and sodium-rich items, but when I decided to focus more on my health and remove these foods from my diet, I noticed a significant change in my energy, vitality, and overall health. I recommend you do the same. In addition to removing oily and salty foods, give us a like to support us and subscribe to learn much more from the various amazing contents I will create every day for you. 6th, refined baked goods. The impact that white breads and cakes made with refined flours can have on your cardiovascular health is greater than you might imagine. These baked goods are not just empty calories. They can significantly increase your cholesterol levels and contribute to weight gain, both of which put tremendous pressure on your heart. Every choice of bread or cake you make could be playing a silent but significant role in determining your heart health in the long run. Replacing white breads and cakes with whole grain options is an easy change that can bring immediate benefits to your cardiovascular health. Whole grain breads and pasta are not only more nutritious but also contain more fiber, which helps control cholesterol levels and keep you full longer. Additionally, these whole grains help moderate blood sugar spikes, which is essential for maintaining a healthy weight and reducing the risk of heart disease. Introducing more whole grains into your diet is a simple step to make each meal more beneficial for your heart and overall health. By consciously choosing whole grain products over those made with refined flours, you're not only selecting better for your taste buds, but also making a choice that benefits your cardiovascular health. I always opted for breads with the most flavor, and when I switched to whole grain breads, I noticed a significant difference in taste. This will happen to you as well. What kept me focused and motivated to consume this new type of food was understanding that having wonderful health is worth more than a satisfied palate. 7th, margarine and hydrogenated fats. Margarines and hydrogenated fats have a powerful impact on our lives, and you need to consider this if you want to revolutionize your health. These products are loaded with trans fats, known for dangerously raising LDL cholesterol levels, the type of cholesterol that clogs your arteries and increases the risk of heart disease. By making a simple swap in your kitchen, you're not just changing an ingredient, you're making a decision that can significantly improve your cardiovascular health. Imagine the difference this small change can make in the long run. Replacing margarine in your recipes is easier and more beneficial than you might think. Opt for olive oil or avocado oil, both rich in healthy fats that can help reduce bad cholesterol and promote heart health. Olive oil, for example, is excellent for cooking, dressing salads, or even in sauces, offering a rich flavor and antioxidant benefits. Avocado, on the other hand, is versatile and can be used in sandwiches, salads, or as a substitute for butter in baking and breads, providing a creamy texture and a robust dose of essential nutrients. Every day, I consume eggs for breakfast and often don't spread anything on my bread. I know it's a habit that takes time to change, and only the awareness of a healthier life can give us the strength to make these changes. I know you can do it. 8th, foods rich in trans fats. One of the biggest poisons for our heart is found in an innocuous fast food store, making it the most dangerous item on our list. And you'll see why. Trans fats, hidden in processed foods and fried items, are true villains for your cardiovascular health. Consuming them not only raises bad cholesterol levels, but also lowers good cholesterol, creating a perfect environment for heart problems. Imagine each serving of these foods as a small blow to your heart health. How many blows can you endure before going down? Avoiding trans fats is simpler than you might think. Start by reading product labels and avoiding those that list trans fats or partially hydrogenated oils. Say no to margarine, fried foods, and industrial baked goods, which are notorious for containing these harmful fats. Instead, enrich your diet with healthy fats found in avocado and olive oil. These alternatives are not only delicious, but also benefit your heart, helping to balance cholesterol levels and protect your arteries. I can't help but say that to overcome trans fat consumption, you need to take both conscious and unconscious actions, as every day we are bombarded with advertising from a fast food industry that promotes unhealthy eating. If we are not strong enough to avoid manipulation, we remain trapped in this destructive cycle for our health. Fighting against our cravings for foods that seemingly give us pleasure is already challenging, and with external stimuli, it becomes even more difficult. I didn't say this is the most challenging on the list, by accident, so you need inner strength to resist advertising and put your health and longevity above all else. I strive for a simpler life, away from modern trends and consumerism. So for years, fast foods and other products rich in trans fats have lost their appeal to me. But I know many people still fall for it. Perhaps even you. My invitation to you is to gradually step out of the fantasy of eating such foods and start eating real foods, the ones that will give you better health. To learn more about foods that will improve your heart health, click on the video appearing on the card. 9th, foods with high levels of refined sugars. Refined sugars, often found in abundance in processed foods and desserts, are more than just empty calories. They can cause significant spikes in blood sugar levels and increase triglycerides, leading to a negative impact on your cholesterol levels. This cycle not only complicates efforts to keep cholesterol in check, but also increases the risk of developing long-term cardiovascular problems. Have you ever stopped to think that the seemingly harmless little treat you savor as a quick reward might actually be sabotaging your efforts to maintain a healthy heart? Each bite of these sugary delights could be contributing more to your cholesterol increase than you realize, affecting your cardiovascular health in ways that momentary pleasure might not justify. The good news is that you can satisfy your sweet cravings without compromising your health. Opt for foods that are naturally low in sugar and rich in nutrients. Fresh fruits, for example, not only satisfy your sweet tooth with their natural sugars, but also provide fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that help regulate blood sugar and triglycerides. Additionally, incorporate whole grains into your diet, such as oats and quinoa, which provide lasting satiety and help keep cholesterol levels in check. Making these smart choices not only improves your lipid profile, but also enriches your diet with flavors and textures that nourish your body and mind. 10th, foods rich in saturated fats. Saturated fats, abundant in foods like red meat, whole dairy products, and many baked goods, are known for raising bad cholesterol levels. This increase can lead to significant health issues, especially related to the heart, such as arteriosclerosis and heart attacks, putting your cardiovascular health at risk. Have you ever imagined how simple changes in your diet could radically transform your cholesterol levels and, by extension, your heart health? Replacing items high in saturated fats with healthier options is not just a minor adjustment to your daily meals. It's a decision that can reduce your risk of heart disease and significantly improve your quality of life. This choice can be a game changer in maintaining a healthy heart and a long, active life. To reduce saturated fat intake, start by adjusting your diet to include more sources of healthy fats. Nuts, seeds, avocados, and vegetable oils, such as olive oil, are excellent substitutes that not only lower LDL cholesterol, but also provide essential fats that benefit the heart, like omega-3 and omega-6. These foods offer a wealth of benefits, including promoting a healthy cardiovascular system and supporting overall health. Incorporating these healthy alternatives into your meals can be as simple as adding a portion of nuts to your snack or replacing regular oil with olive oil when cooking. These small changes can have a profound impact on your health in the long run. Knowing what not to eat will lead to improved health, but knowing what to eat will enhance it even more. So I invite you now to click on the video appearing on your screen and head to our video on the 7 surprising foods to naturally lower your cholesterol. Until then, take care of yourself and have epic health.